morning. It's been a while. Hey! Ngihlala emabini. Angithandi uzifile ngathi sibhanqa. Sijongane emehlweni. Ayikho yini mhlawumbe uphine Elizabeth wakho ufuna sami. Bani uphine Elizabeth? Yini impumela eyenza wena ungayilandi imoto? Angizange? Ungamancane ayikho into engizoyikhuluma naye. Akahambe kakhulu. Imoto yami isivele yamosheka already. Ngithandanga indlela okhuluma ngayo. Oza la. Manje lento ngizoyixolisela.
Hello and welcome to Khabula the Tea, the only channel where we sip a lot of tea without judgment, okay? So I just wanted to do a quick recap. Ngisi niyakhumbula uTirelo eyeyisa ekibela uVuyokazi ekhanda. Wamkhalisa uVuyokazi ingane yabantu yakhala uTirelo ela ethi mina leyo ukuthi wena umamkhulu angingeni futhi in fact I want to sit in the front seats. Wamhlukumeza uVuyokazi waze wamkhipha in this polygamy relationship yabo noMpumelelo. Hayi ke, isn't it her now going through the most? Departing because uyagowa Nkosi yami. She's on WhatsApp now begging uAmahle to speak to uMpumelelo. Athi ngicela ungikhulumele naye umtshele ukuthi ingane yona angayikhiphi inyumbazane, ingane yona angayihlubuli because akahlukene nengane uhlukene nami. Athi Nkosi yami uAmahle angiyingeni sisi ezababili azingenwa angeke ngikwazi ukuyingena. This is not a relationship group. Ebe futhi uAmahle eshaya khona, she's right. It's not a relationship group. And yena uTirelo complained about uAmahle being invited ey'ndabeni zakhe by uMpumelelo. So how is she now inviting uAmahle ey'ndabeni zakhe noMpumelelo? How is she inviting uAmahle ey'ndabeni zakhe? Athi nje, I am so sorry Sisi that I took up my anger on you. I wasn't supposed to. Hayibo, waze wagowa uTirelo. But this is a lesson to everyone nje emhlabeni ukuthi isondo liyajika, tables do turn. Mawudelela kulomhlaba kusasa kuzodelelwa wena, you will be in the same position. She's in the same position that Vuyokazi was in. What a shame. It is very sad to see. But mayethi sebehlukeneke mina ngithi ngiyambongela akaphume kuleli gibhithe eluwumpumelelo. This is not a relationship, it's hell. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please do like, comment and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.